running multiple businesses and wondering if you need to pay for separate Xero subscriptions? Great news! You might not have to. Let me break this down simply. The short answer is, it depends on your legal structure. Xero is built on a one legal entity, one subscription model. So the key question is, are your businesses legally the same entity, or are they separate? One Xero subscription is enough if your businesses operate under the same legal entity. Like the same limited company, sole trader registration, or trust, you can manage all of them inside a single Xero account. Say you run a freelance design studio and an online template shop, both under the same registered company. That's one legal entity, so ONE Xero subscription covers both. Here's how you keep them organized inside Xero. First, use tracking categories. Set up one category per business or brand. Then tag every invoice, bill, and transaction with the right category. This lets you pull separate profit and loss reports for each business, all from one account. Second, use custom invoice branding. Xero lets you create different invoice templates with different logos, business names, and payment terms, so each brand looks professional and separate, even though they're managed in the same account. This works great for different brands, income streams, or departments sitting under one legal umbrella. When you need separate Xero accounts, if your businesses are legally separate, different companies, different registrations, then you need separate Xero subscriptions. No workaround for this. Also, if you have different tax IDs, you need separate accounts. In Australia, for example, 2 different ABNs means 2 separate BAS returns, which means 2 Xero accounts. And honestly, even if you could combine everything, sometimes it's just smarter to keep them separate. Mixing finances makes it harder to see which business is actually profitable. One business could be bleeding money while the other covers it. And you'd never know until it's too late. The multi-organization discount. Here's the good news if you do need multiple subscriptions. Xero offers a multi-organization discount. Sign up to additional accounts using the same email address and you'll automatically qualify. So you're not paying full price for every account. Quick recap: same legal entity. ONE Xero subscription. Use tracking categories and custom invoice branding. Different legal entities or tax IDs. Separate subscriptions, but use Xero's multi-org discount. And if you're not on Xero yet, I've got a link in the description where you can get 90% off your first 6 months. That's a serious discount to get started. That's it. Simple rule, big savings if you get it right.